Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to hide your message button on your Facebook profile. It's a straightforward process, so let's get started. First, open the Facebook app or open Facebook on your browser. Next, go to Settings by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner. Now, click on the Settings icon. Here, scroll down until you see How people find you and contact you. Tap on this option. Here you will see an option. Allow people to message your profile. Simply turn this option off, and now people who are not in your friend list won't be able to message you. If you have a personal account and don't want people to see your posts and friends, then you can simply lock your profile. To do this, simply click on Profile Locking in Settings. Click on the Lock Your Profile button. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your message button on your Facebook profile. For more helpful tutorials, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.